A hot girl summer type of heel. Booty long is giving real snackable. Somebody gonna want to bite you, okay? I'm telling you, like. Y'all, the color blend on this unit is off the freaking chain, okay? That's one thing they do with these synthetic units. They come through with the colors, and I am feeling it. So I'm going to keep talking about the color and raving about it, because what? Do you see me? I look like a little black Barbie. Mad cute, but we're going to get into that. What's up? What's going on? It's your girl Carrie M. You already know who it is. What's up? What you doing? What's going on, girlfriend? Your girl is coming through with a synthetic unit. If you are new to the channel, you know what to do. Hook me up with a little subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, click on that notification bell, okay? Don't be scared. I ain't gonna bite you. I ain't gonna bite. So you already know what you came here for. You want to see the deets on this unit. You want to know how it's holding up. You want to know if it's worth a coin. You want to know what's up, what's going on, what's up. So let's get into the details, okay? First of all, as far as the looks go, it's giving me everything. Is giving me looks. I mean, must I stand up? Okay, giving everything like. What? Do you see the color? I want to talk about it. First of all, I'm really excited to share my thoughts on this unit because it's been a long time since I did a synthetic unit, and it's colorful, it's pretty, definitely giving options for the summer. You want to stand out, you want to be a showstopper. I know you had your eyes on this unit, okay? Now the pink one was what I really wanted. It was sold out everywhere, but my mind changed anyway, and I was like, get this one. This one is so beautiful. All right, so firstly, this unit is from Outre. It's from one of their color, it's from the Color Bomb collection. Not one of the Color Bomb collections. It is the Color Bomb collection, right? And this one is called Kimisha. Now that pink one right there, baby, that's the one I was looking at first. This one, I had something, I had something similar with this one, and I think it was from a different brand. It wasn't Outre. Oh my gosh, what hair brand was that from? I'm gonna drop the details. It might have been Made Beauty, I'm not sure. But this one is what I ended up with. So this color is called 3DR 4/UL Frosted Pastel. This is 36 inches, okay? You get 5 inches of deep lace parting, natural baby hairs, which I did not utilize this time. I like the look without the baby hairs. I really do. And then it also has a pre-plucked HD lace, which they said was pre-plucked. I will be plucking it. You'll see it later, okay? I'm just giving you a little spoiler alert. And you can use heat up to 400. Now it does come with HD transparent lace, is what they say. Now this is supposed to be premium synthetic fibers. Now I'm gonna let you know off jump. The Color Bomb collection is off the chain. Here are some other color options if you don't know what to get and you thinking about getting something. Boom. Let me tell you off jump. The color off the freaking smiggity smack wall. Off the freaking fire wall chain, okay? But however, I have a lot to say about it. A lot, but a little bit, but a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into the install real quick, because the install part, guarantee you, one of the quickest installs ever. The unit takes nothing, real easy to get together. So let's go through that. Clap that real quick, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. Let's go. Okay, so again, the unit is from Outre, their Color Bomb collection, Kimisha, in the color 3DR 4/UL Frosted Pastel, 36 inches long. Okay, so I'm cutting the lace off. I'm gonna style the unit as I usually do. I'm going to tint it, add a little bit of makeup. I'm going to be using some concealer from my Ruby Kisses palette that I always use. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box below, and I'm going to add some powder and I'm going to set that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start detangling this unit. I'm gonna let y'all know off jump. When I popped this unit, my hair was automatically mad tangly. It was more tangly when I first put it on. Once I kind of tamed the tangles, it got a little bit easier to deal with. And if you see me talking to the screen, I had to show y'all that I be live on Pacocha. So if you on Pacocha, or if you want to come to Pacocha, definitely do so, because I be live on there 5 days a week, random times. And usually they're gonna catch these reviews and my makeup looks and all of that stuff before y'all, because it's alive. Like every time it's mad lit, it's fun over there. So check me out. That's going to be at Carrie M. I will link it below. But yeah, I had to hit it up with some heat, because this hair tangly ain't no joke. But we're going to talk about all of the cons and pros and more depth when I get to the review portion. So I'm just going to kind of run through what I'm doing here, and I'm just flattening out the top with my flat iron, just kind of getting it nice and flat and smooth. And The next step is really to kind of bring that parting space to life. So that Ruby Kisses palette is what I was talking about. I'm going to add that concealer. I feel like concealer helps make the parting space look more natural, and it kind of covers the knots. And then the powder aids in kind of setting it so it's not smudging and moving around. So that's why I double step my process, okay? I do clean it up every time. If it got a little too much on the hairs, I'm going to wipe it clean. I'm going to set it with some setting spray so it's still. Now, this is me not being lazy, okay? I'm plucking the parting space. These tweezers are the bomb. The business is mad sharp. I use it for my brow, my individual lashes. If you ain't see that video, check it out. But those tweezers are the bomb. So I will link that below because I think I should get it. And I'm not wearing a wig grip. I'm not utilizing the combs. That's very rare that I do so. So I needed the wig to stay put. So that's why you see me just melting that one little piece right there. And I will be doing my makeup. Well, not really on camera for y'all, but I was talking to this lady because she was asking me some questions about how to fix like dark spots and stuff. So I was Coach lit, y'all. I be talking to them and we just be having a good old time. So check it out. But I really wanted y'all to see that primer. That primer is a business and matte luminous and it's popping for summer. So check it out. But anyways, let's get back onto the hair, right? So as you can see, we are running through some tangles again now that my makeup is finished. And I'm going to just go ahead and detangle that. Now I did use some of the 𝐁𝐿 leave-in conditioner detangler, and that did kind of good in aiding it, and the heat right here is really what helped it out. So add a little heat to it and you should be okay for a little something. But make sure you have your little wig spray on with you, okay? The fit was decent. I got a 22.5 circumference size head and it was fitting kind of nice, and I was sharp because Outre come up kind of small sometimes, so I'm not too mad, okay? It was all right. And I must say that parting space looked really good too. Your girl did her thing, okay? The wig in itself is mad beautiful. I know y'all know that I love it, okay? Cons, pros, and all. But I'm going to talk more in depth about it. You're going to get like all the nitty gritty and how I really feel about the unit for real in just a few seconds. So just take in this little bit of moment right here that you got before I start yapping again. If you are the person who like to see it through, I know you already saw some of the stuff, so I'm going to be mentioning a couple of cons and pros that you probably already saw during the install portion. But for my skip arounders who like to skip around and be like, girl, I want to hear all that, just give me the review. Here we go, okay? Here we go. Y'all know I like to play in my hair multiple times. I'll be trying to get the hair to stay perfect the whole time. So if you see me combing it over and over, don't you say nothing to me, girl. Just let me do what I'm doing. Let's get the cons out the way because you know I like to end it off real pretty and cute. So the first con, well, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's really only two cons. It's two cons. So the biggest con is this thing is nippity nappier than the kitchen in the back of your neck, okay? This thing was so tangly, is crazy. Now, I was actually filming this video while I was live on 𝐁𝐿𝐄, just funny little thing. Because I was doing two things at one time. I was recording this video and I was also live on 𝐁𝐿𝐄. So they saw the whole beginning, the unboxing when I first put it on my head and everything. And it was cracking jokes. It was like, oh my gosh, you killing the brush is crying. Like they was making mad jokes because this unit was like mad tangly. So that's not a secret. Y'all already saw that the unit is hella tangly, and it is what it is. Sometimes with these straight units, synthetic fibers, whether this is premium synthetic and all that, it get nappy, especially being this long. Like I'm not really shocked. And also keep in mind, I do have this platinum blonde, and from my experience, platinum blondes sometimes when they're straight like this, it be nappy, and then somebody else might get the unit in a different color and they might be like it wasn't that nappy for them. So my experience is it just be like that. So I kind of knew that might be something, and I'm okay with that. So have you some wig spray. Definitely run the hot comb through it to kind of soothe it out and soft out those naps, and you know, get your little holly dolly way on going. Just keep on going, keep pushing. It's still cute. And then the second and only con, y'all, is how tight that parting space was. So of course I kind of got it together. Yeah, I was gonna be lazy at first, I ain't gonna lie. I was about to just throw that makeup in there, which I started to do at first. I said, girl, stop being lazy. So I went in and I plucked it open a little bit. I did pluck a hole in my lace somewhere in this area, which you can't really see. You can't see it. Once you got your makeup and stuff on it and it matches your scalp or your wig cap or whatever's under it, you can't really see the hole. So I was like, whatever, you can't even see it. Okay, I'm still cute. All right, so those are the only two cons. So I do have some pros, some things that I really love. I want to show the undercolor on this side because it's such pretty peekaboo ombre. That orange is really hitting. Y'all see that orange? It's really hard to pick up the orange on camera, but it's some orange, some blue, purple. It's just gorgeous. The color combination is off the freaking wall chain, okay? Just bouncing back the ball off the chain. Off the chain on the walls, chain on the walls, hop back and forth, whatever you want to call it. Spider-Man bounce. Let's go. So I love how dark the roots are. It's nice and dark. And then it goes into the blondes. Now, I don't know about y'all, but with me, sometimes when these light blondes don't got a dark root, sometimes I don't be knowing about it. I be like, what do I do with the parting space? I don't want it to start looking chocolatey up there, a little muddy, a little messy. So I appreciate the dark root. I actually love it. And then, of course, I love the peekaboo color. So it's definitely peekaboo-ish, right? The color is up under the units. Like, it's under it, it's in the back, it's hiding. When you comb it like this, you can see the color. But when you open it like this, you really can see the color. I absolutely 100% love that the colors are like super pastel and pretty. The pastelness is just giving light, airy, beautiful, delicate spring summer colors. It's not real hard, it's not real harsh, and it's not too bold. Now that you heard what I said about that, let's talk about the texture. The texture is actually a yucky texture. It actually feels nice to the touch, and the tangling is kind of extreme, but I noticed that if you kind of leave it alone, it doesn't tangle as much. And also I noticed that the initial tangling when I first started styling it was the worst, because like now I could run through it. After I put the heat through it and comb through it fully, I'm not really getting that much nap. So I don't know. Initially it was there, and I'm expecting it to pick back up too. But you know, I did put a little wig spray in it and all of that stuff. So that kind of tamed it down a little bit. The length, love it. Booty long. Okay, hot girl summer type of hair. You know what I'm saying? Is giving it real snackable. You're looking like a bite, a whole meal. Somebody gonna want to bite you, okay? I'm telling you, like, that's the kind of vibe it's giving, and I love it. All I'm missing is my long nails. Like, girl, we are fabulous, nice and ghetto fabulous. And I'm feeling it. I like having that vibe sometimes. So yeah, the fit on the unit I actually like. Cause y'all know I got me a big old doll now. It's fitting. I'm definitely getting my nice ear to ear, and I don't have on a whip grip. I said whip grip. I don't have on a wig grip today, which I usually do. So it kind of does have some space in it, and I felt like it was kind of little loose on me. I could have tightened up the straps and something like that, because I feel like I was slipping off. So that's a plus. That's a plus for me, because lately I've been having wigs too small, and I don't like when my wigs are too small, okay? I needed to accommodate my big dome. So all in all, I do love the unit. Flaws and all, I think it's beautiful, 100% absolutely gorgeous. The shedding is really non-existent unless you're having tangles and you're having to like really like pull the knots out. But aside from that, it's good, and it's definitely a looker. Like, this unit is just so darn pretty. I love what Outre got going on with this. I do. I wish the tangling was less. If the tangling was less, girl, you know, because I would love to be able to wear this for longer periods of time. But you know, I'm gonna get her together. I actually have more products. I have to pick up some oh my goodness, I have to pick up some wig sprays for these synthetic units, because some are coming back around and I need to have my products on deck. Luckily I had that little product from 𝐁𝐿, which worked wonders. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of got the tangles right. It is a leave-in conditioning detangler, and it helped me out a lot. So I was like, thank goodness I got something to help back me up. So yeah, that is it. That is all. You know I could talk all day. Now, I'm going to let you know this. Sometimes you might be able to find me on PaCulture doing a live, you know, in-store review of a unit. So if you want to see that, or if you just want to chat with me a little more, I already told y'all before, your girl be on PaCulture like 5 days a week, doing live videos, makeup, hair, chatting, chilling, whatever, cooking, whatever. So if you want to hit me up there, definitely do that. That's going to be Carrie M. That will be linked in the description box below. And I will link the unit down below as well if I can, okay? And everything I use to style the unit. Oh, yeah. For those of you who's going to ask, because this unit was like sold out everywhere. So I actually bought this from a store that I heard about before, online store. This video ain't sponsored, y'all. It ain't. It ain't. And I really don't like shouting people out when they don't be trying to, you know, sponsor your girl. But off GP of me loving y'all and wanting to hook y'all up, because I had a hard time finding this unit in this color and the pink color. I got it off of Hair So Fly. It was my first time shopping with them. I typically have my other sites that I stick to all the time, and I tried it and it came here in a few days. So you can check them out and see if they still got it, okay? But I'm gonna go. I see you later. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching. It was cool. It was chill. I see you later. Bye.